Hello and welcome to the channel. Soul Commander with you. Glad to have you with me. Be sure to subscribe below if you haven't done so already, and make sure you click that little bell too so you get notified of new videos that are coming out. Today we're taking a look at the YOUNI Arc Lighter. I'm pretty excited about this one. I do not have anything like this, and well, I have to tell you, anytime there's a gadget that comes out and you don't have to use fuel or anything like that, and it's kind of a unique type of item, I am all about checking it out. And I bet you are too. You may have heard of these before, maybe not. But I'm going to show you here just exactly what this is. Take that out of the box. There's also something else in here too. I believe we have a USB charging cable. Yes, we do. This, folks, is a lighter. It uses no butane whatsoever. This is a lighter, and it uses a battery, and you charge it with your laptop or whatever you may have handy that a USB cord plugs into. Nice quality product. I'm going to actually check this out and pause the video, if you will, or stop the video so there's no loss of time for you guys, and I will come back and tell you a little bit more about this. In the meantime, I will say be sure to check the link below, and that's in the product description, because it will lead you right to Amazon. You can purchase this for right under $12 on Amazon. This is flameless. It's a flameless one. That's right. It's splash and waterproof to a certain degree, and windproof. Not really waterproof per se, but we'll say it's splash proof, okay? But it is definitely windproof, and it's an electronic lighter with a flexible neck. Look at that. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So I'm going to check this out and see what it can do for me, and we will come right back and I'll give you an update on the review. Okay, we are back, and boy, folks, I like it. I've got it plugged into my laptop right now because I wanted to show you the cool blue light that's on there. When the blue light is on, that means it's still charging. When it goes off, it's charged. Now, it takes about 2 to 3 hours to fully charge this. And if you're not going to be using it for, say, like 6 months or so, you're going to want to make sure that you charge it every 6 months, okay? If you don't use it very often, okay? So, yeah, I like it. It's got a little holder here so you can hang it up. It does have a safety switch on the side there, so it will not ignite when you push the button. So, you know, if the kids get a hold of it or something like that, they're going to have to know how to turn that on, because it could probably get pretty hot there and shock you. I'm not going to stick my finger in there, but I do want to demonstrate this for you guys. So I'm just going to unplug it here. It's not quite charged. You do want to make sure that you charge it before you use it, and don't overcharge it. That can decrease your battery life. But I'm going to unplug it here now. That's the little USB port there, and there's your on and off switch. When you turn it on, you press this button, and you can see, I don't know if you can hear this, it'll be real quiet. It makes just a little bit of a noise, but not much, hardly at all. I've got a candle here, and I'm just going to see if I can ignite this candle for you guys, okay? I'm not going to let it burn for very long, but we'll see if we can light the candle. Here we go. Well, almost. There it is. There it is, folks. So it works. I'm going to blow this out. It works, definitely works. And you shouldn't do that, by the way, for over 10 seconds, because that can decrease the life of your lighter. So, and I can touch it. I mean, it's a little warm, but it's not hot. But yeah, don't try to light something for over 10 seconds, because that can decrease the life of the product. Okay? So, yeah, this is a good product. I like it. I really like it a lot. I give this an A+. And you know what, folks? The company, they stand behind this. They want you to be 100% satisfied with the shopping experience. So I'm going to throw up their customer support email here on the screen. It's support_youni@cena.com. Okay, so if you need to get a hold of them for some reason, or you have a question about the product or whatever, be sure to get in contact with them on this one. An A+. Thanks for watching, folks. I hope you have a great day. You guys take care of yourself and be good to each other. Soul Commander, and I'm out of here.